guys, make sure to like, subscribe. Today we are going to be doing a jailbreak car review. So, this is going to be, we're just going to be going along this list. And I do not have some of these vehicles, so let's get started. Cirrus, almost immediate acceleration, top speeds. It does bump around a lot. Turning is not the best, but it's still okay. And yes, and it does not do jumps well. Like, it can't go in a tunnel after high speeds. Well, let's just arrest this. You all saw that. They gypped me. I was about to get him. And as you can see, I would rate this on about a 7 or an 8. Next vehicle I have is the Cybertruck. Acceleration is pretty bad if I've ever seen it. Probably like a D or... Everybody raves about this. Oh, by the way, this is a level 5 engine. I think so. Now I think it's a level 5 engine. There we go. Yeah, that's the level 5 engine. Pretty good. Okay, acceleration. Oh, and all these are being judged with level 5 engines. Hold on. Just arrest this criminal. Oh, shoot, she's trying to fight back. Okay, nope, don't have time for that. Pretty fast car if I've ever seen. Oh, shoot, spawn in. Alright, just spawn a new Cybertruck. And I'm off. As you can see, it actually has a pretty good top speed. For only 75k, this is actually a pretty good vehicle. It actually looks pretty snazzy. Oh, shoot. And as you can see, it does not do well with hitting stuff. Pretty well. Next up, we have the Camaro. Okay, why is it not letting me... 26 seconds, great. 20 seconds. Great, let's just keep driving this for 20 seconds. It has a pretty good speed. I like to use the frost on all my vehicles, and it actually looks like the Cybertruck. I like Pika. That's my plate. And it's the criminal. I use the police skin. That's why it says criminal. Ooh. Alright, next up we have the Camaro, which is everybody knows as the default car. Is probably the worst car in the game. Actually, wait, I don't know if I've ever... Wait, what does that say? 3 billion? Wait, I never added that to any of my cars. Okay. Hope I got it for free. It's actually, a level 5 engine. I mean, I've seen better, but again, it's the default car. Oh, hold on, there's someone in here. Oh shoot, he's got me over here. Okay, is this guy? Shoot, wait, where am I being shot at from? Oh shoot. Great, perfect, just awesome. Can I spawn a vehicle? Next up is the Porsche. You can buy better vehicles, is what I could say. I mean, oh wait, level 5 engine. Yeah, look, I do have that 3 billion thing. I mean, acceleration is okay. I mean, 99% of cars are better. A lot of cars are better. Jeez, this is actually pretty bad. Now that I used to drive it before Mobile Garage Game Pass right after I came out of the cargo plane. Now I rarely ever use it. We might have to do a part 2 considering on how long this is taking. Next up, we have the Tesla 8 seconds. Alright, next up we have the Tesla Model 3, judging level 5 engine. Whoa, whoa, look at that acceleration. Wow, I'm actually pretty impressed. I am very impressed with this. I have not driven this since day 1, actually. Hold on. Walked right into me. You're really gonna make me chase you? There we go. Ooh, 900 bounty. Perfect. Bank robbery. Let's just go bust that. As you can see, acceleration is actually pretty nice. Ugh. Great, now I'm being forced against. Great. Perfect. Just perfect. Next up, we have the Wraith, the minigun on the top. Hold on, just a criminal escaping. Oh, a Volt bike. Nope, I don't deal with Volt bikers. Level 5 engine. Wow, acceleration is nice. Yep, the Volt bike is a nightmare. Pretty nice, actually. And this is the Boss Game Pass. Well, if you don't know. The minigun on the top stinks at all means. And there are a lot of better vehicles. Oh look, someone else with a Wraith. People are in the gun store. Oh look, what is? I have no clue what that is called. That's a first. 750,000. That's outrageous for a car. I mean, I do have $1 million car. Come on, dude. Don't. Ugh. All right, we're going to do next up. Next up, we have a pickup truck placed at 9,000. It's literally a Camaro. Stinks as much as a Camaro would. Oh, ew. I'm not pressing the drift button, and it drifts. That's annoying. Oh, okay, yeah, that's pretty bad. Do not buy the pickup truck and avoid it at all costs. Next up, we do have the military Jeep. 30 seconds, perfect. We're just going to ramble on about the pickup truck now. Wait, let's actually go to Area 51 to pick up a Jeep. Or right here. We are going to be doing helicopters. I do not know if this... Hold on, airdrop briefcase. Gotta find the airdrop briefcase. No. Do not. So you can see how bad this vehicle is. I'm just trying to go get airdrop briefcases. 5,000. That's actually a good amount of money. There are a bunch of vehicles that I have not grinded for yet, and I will be grinding for them, and that's why we're going to be doing a couple parts. A, because I don't have some of these, and B, because I do not know if I have enough time. This is probably going to be the last vehicle. So next we have the Jeep. It's actually pretty nice. It's amazing in off-roading. Wait, level 5 engine. Acceleration's pretty nice. Off-roading is pretty nice. Has if you press G, the top goes on and off. You can just troll your friends and do this. Wee woo wee woo wee woo. And as you can see, it's pretty. It's really like woo all over the place. And I would not prefer it. Alright guys, I need you guys to like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and comment down below, how did you hit that notification bell?